Hi, welcome to Child Support Court with Judge Harry Bowden. I'm glad that you're joining us today for a very important question. The very first one when you need to consider child support. And that is, what is child support? Sometimes we need to deal with what is not before we get to what it is. Child support is not worrying about what your child's mother is doing with the money. Oh, did I say that? I did. Child support is not the ability to control what the other person does. Oh, I did say that. Child support is not being able to say that you've paid money and you have all the rights to do everything that you want to do. No. Child support, financially speaking, is the support of assistance for the child, usually financially, but we're going to broaden that because I just don't like it. Child support too often is relegated or brought down to money. But ladies and gentlemen, child support is so much more. Now, when you deal with the courts, we have to deal with the issue of sustenance, financial assistance. So child support in a common meaning is the financial assistance that's given for the upbringing of the child. Wow, that's a lot. Because the money you give, the child can't spend. The custodial parent spends the money for the child. So yes, child support is giving financial assistance to the child through the custodial parent. And I say custodial parent because we're not going to say it's just the mom. Often it is, but it can be the dad. But it's the support. Let's make sure we spell it S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. What that means is anything and everything that you give to support the upbringing of a human being. When you break it down, it's food, shelter, clothing, and let's take it a step further, the emotional well-being. So when you deal with the emotional well-being, isn't it nice that the custodial parent feels secure? We'll be right back after a word from our sponsor. Don't you miss an episode of Child Support Court Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden.
Girl, I got my money.
You got your money? What money?
My child support.
Where you get that from? Because I know Jason didn't give it to you.
Nope. But I did find this website, getmybabymoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
And welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast. When they allow you to keep the child while they go to dinner, that's supporting that person. The security of the custodial parent is important. And that means that their lights are on. That means that the heat is on when it's cold and the air is on when it's hot. That means that they have food on the table and in the pantry. That means that they have gas to go where they need to go. Oftentimes it could be the babysitter, or yes, it could be the bar or club, or wherever they need to go to just be relaxed for a minute. So what have we done? We have redefined support, child support. And that's what we're going to do on this show. We're going to discuss what it is not, how you get it, what is the process. And we hope that you'll be here week after week after week in explaining what is child support. Here at Child Support Court, I'm giving to you straight with no chaser. and I expect to see you back the next time. This is Judge Boughton for Child Support Court Vodcast.